Coffee was initially discovered in Ethiopia, where an Arab farmer named Khalid noticed his animals became livelier after eating a certain berry. He boiled the berries to make the first coffee. The first official record of the drink is of beans exported from Ethiopia to Yemen, where Muslims drank it to stay awake all night to pray. The coffee originally derives from the Arabic word qahwa. The Kiva Han was the world's first coffee house. It opened in 1475 in Constantinople, now known as Istanbul. The coffee house changed Muslim social culture and became a centre of social interaction and a place where people would assemble to drink coffee and entertain themselves with conversation, music, reading and playing chess, much like we see today. Soon after, others rapidly emerged all over the city, and by the late 15th century it had arrived in Mecca and Turkey and in Venice by 1645. It came to England in 1650 by a Turk named Pascal Rosé, who opened the first coffee house in Lombard Street, London.